TaskLink integrates GoCanvas with Bluebeam Revu, allowing you to manage fieldwork in Revu and connect your drawings and field data. In GoCanvas, dispatches are incomplete forms that have been assigned to a field user, and submissions are completed forms from the field user. If you have an existing dispatch or submission, you can attach it to additional markups and drawings in Bluebeam Revu to maintain organized documentation. You may need to attach an existing dispatch or submission when working on recurring tasks that use the same GoCanvas form. These recurring tasks often need to stay linked to the same markup in a drawing for consistency. For example, on an elevation sheet, an inspector marks incorrect window framing widths in the office room. Each completed daily field report in the GoCanvas mobile app is saved as a submission. Over time, you may have several submissions for the same location. You could attach all those submissions to the single markup in Bluebeam Revu, so you have a complete history in one place. To do this, open the TaskLink panel and make sure you're signed in to GoCanvas. Then, right-click a markup and choose Attach Existing Submission to connect field data to your drawing. Browse the list of submissions. Use the Filter or Sort option to quickly find what you need. In this case, filter the form, select the correct one, and click Attach. Repeat this process for additional submissions as needed. After attaching multiple submissions individually, you'll see all of them linked to the markup. Sometimes one field task form covers multiple items in a drawing, like a group of similar components or repeated installations. TaskLink helps you streamline this process by attaching one existing dispatch or submission to multiple markups for efficiency. For example, an inspector checks all the building columns and beams in one GoCanvas form. In Bluebeam Revu, each column and beam is a separate markup. This form starts as a dispatch for the task, which is then attached to all relevant markups. To do this, select and right-click a markup. Then choose Attach Existing Dispatch from the TaskLink menu. Locate the existing inspection form, select the dispatch, and click Attach. Repeat this step for each markup as needed. Now, all related markups are linked to the existing dispatch, making it easy to track and export. Attaching dispatches or submissions in TaskLink keeps your drawing and field data connected and organized for streamlined task management.